Hello everyone, it's me DJ Diwata and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to the cover song of France Rhythm, and this is Wonderwall by Oasis, published 2 weeks ago with 62,700 views. Ayan, excited ako dito kasi 2 weeks ago pa ito. So ibig sabihin 2 weeks ago na pala ako na may sakit, diba? So pasensya nyo na po, hindi ko ito nagawa na agad ng cover song kasi nagpapagaling pa po, kaya until now may allergy pa rin po ako, kaya pagpasensya nyo na kung minsan ay sumasablay po yung aking yung aking boses. Ayan, oh my god, I'm sorry po, pero kailangan ko itong gawa ng reaction video kasi excited na ako na marinig yung pagpiplay ng keyboard ni Dod. So di ba nag-change place sila ni Char, si Char ang mag-drums at si Dods naman ang magpiplay ng keyboard, di ba? Ayan, pasensya na po kayo, kaya let's go na. Medyo nahihirapan ako magsalita pero kailangan ko itong gawa ng reaction video kasi ang tagal ko na itong gustong panoorin, pero gusto ko yung yung raw reaction ang mapanood nyo sa akin, kaya let's go, pakinggan na natin, okay? Kuha-kuha ni Jen yun, ha? Ganda ng smile. Wow.
By now you should somehow realize what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now.
Wow, binata na!
Back in the worst on the street and the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you've hit it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we have to walk are winding.
Wow, the smile of Thomas, I love it.
There are blinding. There are many things that I'd like to say to you.
Wow, galing ni Char.
Said, baby, gonna be the one that saves me.
Wow.
And after all, you're my wonderwall. Today's gonna be the day, but I'm never going back to you. By now you should somehow realize what you're not to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do
Ang cool.
about you now. And all the roads you have to walk are winding. And all the lights that light your way are blinding.
Wow.
There are many things that I'd like to say to you, but I don't know how. 'Cause baby, gonna be the one that takes me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. I said, baby, gonna be the one that takes me.
Level up na si Master Dod.
And after all, you're my wonderwall. I said, baby, gonna be the one that saves me. Gonna be the one that saves me. Gonna be
Wow! Napag-goosebumps ako ni Dots! Ang galing, ha? Wow! Dots! Tuwa yung mag-ate, oh! Wow!
Thank you for watching.
You nailed it, Dots! Oh my God, ang galing!
Thank you guys.
Love, love, love.
Ang galing! Ang galing! Wow! Ay, ang sarap niya kukunin sa ulo! Ang galing, Dots! Ang galing! I'm so proud of you, Dots! Oh, proud na proud si Daddy Franz! Ang galing! Tuwan-tuwa rin yung mag-ate. Grabe, you nailed it, Dots! O, diba? Napag-goosebumps ako ni Master Dots. But anyway, ayan. Simula nung mapanood ko yung, yung first, I think, second cover song niya. Kasi yung first cover song niya was kanta ng Nirvana. And the second one was the song from Shackle. And ito na yung pangatlo niya na na cover song. O, diba? Ayan, Dots, napag-goosebumps mo ako. Anyway, napaka-multi-talented talaga ng mga anak ni Daddy Franz, no? And si Dots, aside from napakahusay na mag-drums, ngayon nagpe-play na rin siya ng ng keyboard and nagpa-practice na rin siya mag-guitar. And diba, yan, napapakinggan na natin siyang kumakanta na din. At talaga masasabi ko na level up yung pagkanta ni Dots dito. Talagang at his young age talagang medyo nagiging nagbibinata na yung ating Master Dots. At talaga namang sobrang saludo ako sa mga sa mga anak ni Daddy Franz. At nakita naman natin yung ngitian ng kanyang mga ate. Sobrang proud na proud sila. At yung after nung song, gusto ko din siyang ganonin sa sa ulo niya kasi sobrang proud na proud ako kay Dots. Grabe, ang galing niya. Yan, Dots, ipagpatuloy mo lang yan. Ang layo talaga na mararating ng mga anak ni Daddy Franz kasi or malayo talaga mararating ng Franz Rhythm kasi napakahusay naman talaga at multi-talented ang mga ang mga bata. Yung pagpasensyahan nyo na po, medyo kumakati yung aking dibdib, okay? So ayan, wala akong masasabi kung hindi napakahusay at napakaganda ng rhythm. Pag pinakinggan ko yung kanta ng Oasis at masasabi ko na hindi magpapahuli si Master Dots, so diba? And yung rhythm yung harmony, yung arrangement, napakahusay, napakagaling, hindi magpapahuli sa Oasis. Kaya naman, Franz Rhythm, you nailed it. Dots, I'm so proud of you. Okay, so ayan, ulit-ulit na lang si DJB. Medyo hindi na naman maganda yung dating ng aking dibdib, kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na po ako. And if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from Franz Rhythm, please don't forget to subscribe. Franz Rhythm, marami pa ko yung mga cover songs at mga magagandang composition din ng Franz Rhythm na mapapakinggan nyo na talagang mag-enjoy kayo at talagang masasabi natin mag-good vibes po kayo, okay? And if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button to get notified on my next video. Please click nyo po yung all notification bell, okay? Don't forget to subscribe also ang aking DJB Israel. Ayan, marami po kayong mga reaction video na mapapanood din dyan, okay? So bye-bye everyone. Hope to see you again on my next vlog, and always remember that music is life and life is all without music. So bye-bye everyone. Hope to see you again on my next vlog. I love you all.